Harry Kane. He is from England. He is a striker. He scores many goals. Kylian Mbappé. He is from France. He runs very fast. He wants to win the World Cup. Lionel Messi. He is from Argentina. He passes the ball very well. He helps his team win. Cristiano Ronaldo. He is from Portugal. He trains every day. He works hard to score goals. Neymar Jr. He is from Brazil. He dribbles the ball beautifully. Fans love watching him play. Erling Haaland. He is from Norway. He is tall and strong. He scores goals easily. Virgil van Dijk. He is from the Netherlands. He is a defender. He stops the opponents. Lamine Yamal. He is from Spain. He runs very fast and kicks the ball well. He helps his team win the game. Goal. Score. Striker. Run fast. World Cup. Pass the ball. Train hard. Tall and strong. Defender. Stop opponents. Team. Win.